When you're sharing a dust collection hose between machines, you want a quick connection that swaps in seconds, seals completely, and stays together until you want to swap it again. You want Woodpeckers MagQuick Magnetic Dust Ports. Let's take a closer look at how MagQuick works. The collector side fitting has rare earth magnets backed up by a steel ring. The backing ring actually focuses the magnetic energy when the ports snap together. The resulting magnet sandwich has an incredible grip. But you won't have to fight to take MagQuick connections apart. Just pull at a slight angle and the connection comes apart easily. By using steel rings on the machine side, there's no issue of polarity as you find on magnet-to-magnet connections. And the mating bevels make sure everything lines up. Just snap on and snap off. To install MagQuick Dust Ports, add a machine side fitting to each of your machines. Attach the collector side fitting to your dust collector hose and you're ready to go. Both fittings have a groove in the part that fits into your hose. When you line up your hose clamp with the groove, you'll get a perfect seal and the hose will never slip off. Now moving your dust hose from one machine to another is a snap. Our flush mount MagQuick fitting allows you to design your own dust shrouds. Make a shroud for the messiest machines in your shop. Or make a dustpan that never fills up. We sell the MagQuick Dust Ports individually or in sets to equip your whole shop. Each MagQuick is manufactured and assembled right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Make sure your dust collector really sucks. Equip it with MagQuick connectors today.